To add a themed menu to your Wix site, start by logging into your Wix account and selecting the site you want to edit. Click on the Add button at the top of the page and choose Menu from the drop-down list. This will open the Menu Settings panel where you can customize your menu. Choose a pre-designed menu from the Wix menu templates or start from scratch by selecting the blank menu option. If you choose a pre-designed menu, you can customize it by clicking on the Customize button. This will allow you to change the menu's layout, colors, and fonts to match your site's theme. To add menu items, click on the Add Item button and enter the name of the page or link you want to add. You can also add submenus by clicking on the Add Submenu button. Organize your menu items by dragging and dropping them into the desired order. To customize the menu's design, click on the Design tab and select a menu style that matches your site's theme. You can choose from various layouts, including horizontal, vertical, and drop-down menus. You can also customize the menu's colors, fonts, and padding to match your site's design. To set up a themed menu on your Wix site, make sure to choose a menu style that complements your site's theme and layout. Use a consistent design language throughout your site, including your menu, to create a cohesive user experience. Test your menu on different devices to ensure it is responsive and works as expected. By following these steps, you can create a themed menu that enhances your site's design and user experience. Remember to keep your menu simple and easy to navigate, and to use clear and concise language in your menu items. This will help your visitors find what they are looking for and improve their overall experience on your site.